Hey y'all, this is Thrifty Virgo Lefty and I'm back with another video. Today I want to talk about credit repair. Now, I know it's a lot of wonderful places out there that offer great services, and if you're not comfortable with doing it yourself, I think it's a really great option to do it. I've never used any of them, but the people that I know that have used them, they had nothing but positive feedback. So I think the first step that I would take, that I have taken rather, is to go to annualcreditreport.com, and that's a free tool where you can get all 3 credit bureaus for free. That's your first start, because you want to be able to see everything that's listed on each credit report, because a lot of times with the 3, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, sometimes you will have something on one, it won't carry over on the other. So yeah, my first step is to get that. Yeah. All right. And then that way you can see what you're really working with. All right.